In today's video, I will show you how I was able to make more than $200 in one day with affiliate marketing. I will show you the full process, no money needed and also no experience required. You can do it with just internet. So first, I will much appreciate it if you give this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one. And now let's get started. First, let's open JVZoo. I currently focus on two platforms, Warrior Plus and JVZoo. So I will select the exact date when I make this $200 in one day. And also guys, I was sick in the last 2 weeks, so I don't do any work or any effort in the last 2 weeks. That's why I don't make any sales recently. So on the day 12 from this month, like you see, I made $224 from only 5 sales. The products are Courrier. It seems like I made these 5 sales from just one visitor. I think the user buy all the upgrades of Courrier in one day. Like you see, $148, $23, $48, $3, and finally the total is $224. Now the big question, how I did it, and it's really easy and anyone can do it. I make this $224 just from one video. Like you see here, this is the video. The crazy part is the video had only 38 views. I lost 2 subscribers from this video and I really don't know why, but the video make me 26 cents on YouTube revenue. But here in the description I put my affiliate link because this is a review video. I talk about the Courrier. This is the product, the pros and cons of this product, and I put my link if anyone want to purchase this product. That's it. How simple is that? From only 38 views I make $200, and the big part of these results on Warrior Plus or JVZoo are from YouTube. I make reviews about the latest products on softwares, and when someone wants a specific product they use my link and I made a small commission. Imagine if you have a big audience and you make reviews videos every day, I guarantee you will have a great daily profit. So the first step is sign up to JVZoo or Warrior Plus or the both of course. Go to this website manchai.com, pick a product, create a video about that product, talk about the product, the pros and cons, the live demo if you have an access review, and the most important part is the honesty. Always make a honest review for your audience. If the products are good, advise them to buy it. If not, products are a waste of time, say this to your audience to build trust and a strong relationship with your audience, and this is the most important part. So pick a product, make a honest review video, put your affiliate link in the description below and wait for commissions. And you can do this every day for more chances making some sales. Also you can try some Facebook ads, some native ads like Taboola. This type of paid ads need a big budget, but it's worth it. It's really worth it because you will see instant results. So guys, I will finish here. I wish you benefit from this video. If so, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel and see you in the next one.